So you may never come across this one, but since it's still a magic method, we have to cover the unset magic method. So it's going to be an easy one with just one example. Let's have the sum, or maybe user class. So to remind you guys, you can remember that we had something called set method. So that set method take key and value, and inside of it it actually set the data with that particular key to that particular value. But there's something also called public function unset, which it's actually is strange, because we have this native functionality unset, but what it does is actually take the data with that particular key and unset it. So if you have the user object all over again and set the user name, for example, to Ellie, but then unset some way in the code. It's not actually going to be like this in the real world, but let's face it, it's just an example. So let's do this first. Let's ward on the user now. So it's going to be unset. If we run this, we get the name, right? But if we unset the name and then ward on the user, we get an error. So let's see what this error means. Oh, it's not this, it's user. I'm sorry. So if you run it again, we get the empty data. Or if we actually, yeah, this is it. There is no actually. So the unset do the exact opposite of set. You can set some properties, and along the way, whenever necessary, you can unset some of them, or maybe all of them.